Hey guys, working on the 57 under the dash. I'm installing this Temu sound barrier deadener stuff on the firewall instead of buying a firewall blanket. And it's pretty simple to use. You know, you just have to kind of cut it for notches and stuff around where you're doing, and then it has a adhesive back. So you just peel that off and then stick it in place. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. So that's what I'm doing. Got a bit of it done already on this driver's side. And actually, I wanted to say one more thing. This is that Temu sound deadener, and that is one package has done half of this firewall under here on this 57 Chevrolet. So probably two packages, 10 bucks. I don't know what that cost is versus buying that heat blanket, but anyhow, that's one of the things I did want to share on this video also, is that it's relatively inexpensive. It seems to work so far. It is not like Kilomat. It is a foam rubber with adhesive and then this aluminized backing. They don't give you a roller with it or anything. You just buy it in the pieces. I think I paid $5.97 or $5.47 for a pack of this stuff. So anyhow, just wanted to give you a heads up. Bye.